Welcome back, friends. Now let's start searching profiles with help of some operators which we have seen previously. So on LinkedIn, you can use some Boolean operators which we saw. Now let's try some different profile such as system administrator or a network engineer. So let's see how to search profiles by using different operators. So start with site in.linkedin.com/in or site in.linkedin.com/pub. So these are the two directories through which we would be exploring the profiles. Now we are looking for a network engineer. So let's type network engineer. Enter. Oh, I missed the quotation mark here. Let me put that. Yeah, enter. So now these are the profiles of network engineers, more than 15 lakhs. Let's go through it. Okay. So we are getting network engineer profiles. So these are all the profiles. As you could see, there is a designation called data network engineer also. This is something which we got to know now. But this profile, we are not looking for that data engineer. We are looking for a network engineer. So let's add some of more designations that a network engineer use in his profile. It's also called system administrator or system admin. Some people write in this way too, or system administrator. Okay. So what we have done, we have expanded our search and we are now including those profiles who writes designation as network engineer, system admin, or system administrator. So click on enter. So now we get more search since we have increased the search string. Now write some keywords which this profile does is you can write as network itself. Let me just reduce the zoom. Yeah, network, or you can write CCNA, or you can write router. So CCNA, router, network, these are some keywords. Troubleshooting. So troubleshooting. And hope we are looking for Delhi. So these are some profiles of 3,62,000 who are Delhi based and they are into system administrator. So this is a profile search by OR operator. So let's open one profile and let's see if I have received the apt search. So yes, he is from Delhi, network security engineer, system administrator. So we have got the profile of a system administrator, network engineer, which we are looking for. Now, friends, let's use an AND operator. Now, for example, in this requirement, your HR or as an owner, you want a person should be aware of CCNA. That is a mandatory skill because now in this example, it's an optional. So let's make it mandatory. So what we have to do, we have to change the search string in such a way that we will write CCNA and we will remove the CCNA from optional, that is OR, and troubleshooting. So what we have done, we have written CCNA and. That means CCNA would be the mandatory skills, and there might be a skill of router troubleshooting on network. So this is what we have given a command. So now more than 60,000 are there. Now you could see CCNA as a mandatory skill in each profile. CCNA, CCNA, here also CCNA. So as you could see, the CCNA would be the mandatory skill. Let's go to the third page. Yes, here also CCNA is there. Let's check this profile of Govind. So now CCNA. See, this is a mandatory skills, though it's not appearing in the text. It is a skills, the profiles you would be receiving with those skills because you have put and as an or CCNA as an and operator. Okay, so this was using and. We previously saw using or operator. So any skills if you want mandatory, you can put in this way, or if any skills you don't want. Now, if we don't want that, we will just use the not operator. How to use that? Just write here minus CCNA. So minus is nothing but a not operator. So now the profiles what you would be receiving is either network router or troubleshooting key skills minus CCNA. So here there won't be any CCNA. Let's open this profile of a system administrator and let's check if CCNA is included. Mostly it won't because we have used the operator not for that purpose. So let's check this profile. Okay. The best way to do that is just type CCNA. See, there are no results of CCNA. So friends, in this way, you can use and operator, not operator, and or operator for searching any profile. Whatever key skills, if you are looking mandatory, use the operator, and if you don't want, use the operator, no. So this is how you have to search.